I'm Ntsiki, mom and early years educator. Welcome back to Early Years Unpacked, where we gently unpack child behavior so you can parent with clarity and confidence. Today we're talking about something that happens every single day: transitions. If your child struggles when it's time to leave, turn off the TV, clean up your toys, or go to bed, you are not alone. These moments can feel frustrating and overwhelming, but there's something important to understand. Most of the time, it's not the transition itself that's hard for the children. It's how quickly it happens. Young children are still learning how to move from one activity to another. Their brains don't switch quickly. They need time to stop what they're doing, understand what's coming next, and adjust their body and emotions. When that shift happens too fast, it can feel overwhelming. That overwhelm can look like crying, resistance, big emotions. Not because something is wrong with the child, but because the moment feels too much. For young children, leaving an activity isn't just moving on. It can feel like losing something they were really enjoying. They're in the middle of play, fully engaged, and suddenly they're asked to stop without warning. That feels abrupt. So the reaction isn't about disobedience, it's about not being ready yet. In early years classroom, we don't rush transitions. We prepare children for them. You'll often hear 5 more minutes, 2 more minutes, last turn. That gentle countdown gives the brain time to adjust. So when the transition happens, it feels expected, not sudden. You can use the same approach at home. Give simple warning. 2 more minutes, then we're cleaning up. Keep your words short, clear, consistent, and then follow through calmly. Even if your child is having big emotion, stay calm because your calm helps them move through the moment. After years of working with young children, I've learned something important. What looks like difficult behavior is often the child having a hard time expressing their feelings. And many of those hard moments happen during transitions when we slow things down. We support the child through the change. For many families of faith, these moments invite us to lead with patience, to guide gently, to prepare, to stay calm, even when emotions are big, because growth takes time, and children learn best when they feel supported through change. So the next time a transition is coming, pause before you rush it. Prepare your child. Give them time to adjust. Because when transition feels predictable, children feel more secure. When they feel secure, they move through change with more ease. I'll see you in the next episode of Early Years Unpacked.